So what does Harmonize do? Well, it merges objects into a scene by matching color, lighting, and shadows. So we're starting with this image of a couple in a boat, and we're going to harmonize it with an image of a lake. First off, generated images don't show the Harmonize button. So we're going to create a smart object, and then the Harmonize button shows up. So you can see how the shadows are more in this area because of the direction of the light. Now let's say that we wanted to change either the couple in the boat or the background. So here's a good workflow. Go back into your smart object, remove the layer mask, and then find another image. You'll notice we need to recrop this. No worries, the whole image is actually there. Next, we're going to remove this background, hit save. Let's say we want to change the lake image also. With the foreground selected, hit harmonize. So you see how the reflections also work really well with this background. So keep in mind, if you make any changes to your image, you'll need to hit harmonize again. Next, we're going to take this image and completely replace the background image that this woman is in, and we're also going to color her top. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the background, and then we're going to make a smart object out of this image. Let's go into the image and modify her top color. I've selected her top, and I'm going to choose adjustments and hue saturation. Now, one thing here to note is that the lighting on this colorization doesn't quite look right, but that's one of the great things about Harmonize. It will fix that. So let's hit save and then go back to our original image. I've generated another image of a beach cafe. Now I'm going to hit harmonize. So there's three options, and usually there's one that has a very kind of dark lighting and a medium one and one that's a little brighter. I like this one. Look at how much better her top looks than in the original colorized image. So I hope you've enjoyed this very quick overview of Harmonize.